You can wipe that out.
Wipe that shit.
Brady gang. We lit. Brady gang. Kyra Shoney TV. Kyra Shoney TV. Kyra Shoney TV. Kyra Shoney TV. We got reactions and rip break videos. This where it's at. Skippy little dogs and good vlogs. This where it's at. Baby Z, she going every day. We truly blessed. Like the video and subscribe to see what we will do next. Kyra Shoney TV. 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 And Baby Z. And Baby Z. And don't forget Baby Z.
What's up, Brady gang? We vlogging today. Let me set the camera up. Hi, look. Can I get a Reese's Sonic Blast, a mini size?
What kind of blast?
Reese's.
Alright.
And a medium strawberry blueberry slush. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
You said that was it?
Yep.
719 will be right up.
Okay. Here, look at it on my phone. Oh, the refill. Shit.
Now, why you do that?
Sorry.
How the fuck you do that? Now,
My bad.
Wipe that shit.
Johnny. Okay. Johnny, it ain't that serious. Where is it?
On my arm and wipe that shit out my hair.
It's an accident.
I'm gonna show you.
Don't do that, Johnny.
Spray this shit all on your ass. Just inspect your ass.
Alright. Good. No, that's okay. Thank you. You said what? Hey, Miss Lady.
Something like that. Cut that fucking air off if you get stealing and shit like that.
Shut up. Still hot. They turn the air off. Z in here. You didn't want no donut?
No. Alright, we're waiting on the wings.
Oh. Get my watermelon right quick. Quickie quick.
The hell you need a watermelon for?
So we're doing that challenge this weekend. You don't listen. Remember? And I've been wanting some watermelon anyways.
What challenge?
That challenge
What, you putting
with the
mustard
watermelon.
on? Mustard on the watermelon?
Yeah.
You putting the mustard?
You eating it too.
No mustard on the watermelon.
There you is. Come here, thank you.
God, why the fuck you doing that? You take that shit further though.
Charlie, don't. Show me your food in here. My drink right
Listen,
here.
you better stop playing then.
It was an accident. Shorty, don't spray.
I too.
Stop, Shorty.
Well, stop that playing. Shit.
Shorty.
God, drive that fucking
It
truck.
ain't that serious.
Look, you
We
walk
gonna
up to
see.
Yeah, I'm finna knock your mama out.
I can't believe I got allergies.
God, why you spraying with that shit? I saw that shit in your fucking head. What the fuck is that? Some fucking water.
Achoo!
Kyra, I'll chew your ass. Do that shit. I'm gonna burn the shit. I'm gonna burn the shit out your ass. Stop playing.
Okay,
I'll set your
okay.
fucking hair on fire.
I'm down, Shorty. Dang,
Give
no
me that.
water you see.
Give me that.
Try to spray me. You
No,
try to
man.
spray me.
Give it to me.
No. I quit. You thought I was these on you for real. You nasty. I hate you.
Wet my fast, you probably would.
You wanna go
You
see?
can't get out. Come
You
on.
wanna go see play? Get her a wedge.
She got a wedge in her hand.
No, she don't.
Yes, she do.
You want donut?
Said she want to get out.
You
Come
want a
on.
donut?
Drive for her to go back to sleep.
Drive.
I'm playing on you goddamn life.
You know these on you for real. For real. Oh, I thought you would react worse than that. Oh, you didn't get the drink. You want a drink? I thought you were worse than that. Thought you would cry. You hear me? I thought you would cry.
You got the camera going?
Yeah.
It's still going?
Yeah. I got him, Brady Gang.
Good shit.
I got him with the sneeze spray. Everyone thought, he said, why you keep doing that? Girl, why you keep doing that? So it ain't nothing but a sneeze. Are you gonna get sick? Huh?
I'm gonna get sick. I know how to keep myself from getting sick.
Boy, how? How you
Don't worry
doing?
about it.
So I can know.
Don't worry about it.
Tell me so I can know, so I can not get sick no more. You get some rich? Don't get slapped. So I got showed with the sneeze prank. Don't forget to like, comment, and what, Shawty? Wow. Subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. So we can get to this 1,000 followers by the end of this month.
Whatever.
Shawty.
You know G broke my screen on the phone and you want to spray some water. Fuck up my phone.
Shawty ain't that serious. That little bit of spray water ain't gonna get on you.
It's
And that
cracked.
actually wasn't even on water. That was Leah spray.
It's cracked.
That was Leah spray.
You gonna be buying me a new phone.
Did they get in your eye? They said don't put it in your eyes or whatever. Huh?
Why you spray some shit like that then? Why you just put water in there?
Because I didn't want to waste the lid spray.
Lens for what?
Don't clean the lids off.
Damn,
They get your eye. That little thing. Remember I bought it at the Dollar General?
Why you use that?
Because,
You gonna use water.
well, I didn't want to waste that and put water in it.
So you just wasted. So you could have pulled it out.
I didn't waste the whole thing. I just wasted a couple squirts. Did you get your eye?
Yeah. What's gonna happen to my eye?
They said wash it with water fast.
Why?
Because it can go make you blind.
Tiger man blind ain't burning.
Okay. Ain't got a bar for to make you blind.
Yeah, dude.
Nah, I just playing. I put water in it.
I know you put water in.
How you do?
What?
How you do?
Cause you ain't buy no lens spray.
I did buy some lid spray from Dollar Tree. You
You
remember I said I bought this lid spray and the little cloth to clear the camera?
No,
Well, it was lid spray. I pulled it out though.
I ain't seen none of
Because you don't pay attention to nothing I say. Don't pay attention to nothing I say, y'all. When I say Glenn, one ear and out the other, then when somebody else said, here you go, telling me what they said when I already told them. How that work?
What?
You
What?
know what?
Oh, I don't.
What I just said. Put your seatbelt on.
I don't know what you say. I ain't put my that thing ain't beeping.
Yes, it is.
I ain't put my seatbelt on.
Put your seatbelt on. Safety first. Shawty.
Y'all can put your always put your seatbelt on when you get in the car.
Exactly. So put it on. Teach what you preach. Teach what you preach. You need a haircut.
Alright, cut the camera on.
Teach what you preach.
I am teaching.
No, we vlogging today. Achoo!
Yeah. I already got this shit out. You doing one of the batteries out that you got left.
So we vlog today.
Ain't man.
Yeah. Brady gang, we lit. Brady gang. Kyra Shorty TV.